replacing the vent solenoid. First I'm going to peel back this cover, just set it up top there, and then go ahead and unplug it, pull back on the locking tab for the connector, and wiggle it off, set that to the side. To unlock this hose, there is a tab that sticks down from the top. We have to pry that up and then do the opposite on the bottom. So there's a tab that sticks up. So I'm going to stick actually 2 screwdrivers in here, 2 pocket screwdrivers, one in like this and one in like that. And both of these are spreading those 2 locking clips apart. And then I'm just going to pull straight out on the hose. There we go. Set that aside. To take this out, you should be able to just slide it forward and take this cover off. There's your old vent valve. Let's get this cover back onto the new one. Line it up, this slot with the little line here. That's how you know it's lined up. Slide it onto its mounting bracket up there and make sure it is fully secured. Let's get this line back on, the hose. Press it until it clicks. Okay, and now to ensure that it's locked in, give it a tug. It doesn't move, perfect. Take your wiring harness, plug it back in.